Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping your name. This takes you straight to your Apple ID. Once done, tap Subscriptions to reveal active services tied to iCloud or other apps. Make sure you have your Apple ID password and the payment method visible because you may need to confirm identity. If you're on Mac, open the App Store, click your name, then view information and manage. Don't pause. Navigate directly to the subscriptions list to find iCloud or storage items. Once you find iCloud storage or an iCloud-related subscription in the list, tap the entry to open details. This is where cancel or change options appear. You will see cancel subscription or a downgrade option. Choose based on whether you want to stop payments or reduce storage. Confirm cancellation when prompted. Apple often lets the subscription run until the end of the paid period. Make a note of the next billing date so you know when charges will cease. And check your payment method for pending charges. After confirming cancellation, check your email for Apple's confirmation and review your billing statement to verify the final charge. This ensures you won't be surprised later. If you don't see the iCloud subscription, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, verify family sharing settings, and recheck subscriptions. Sometimes subscriptions are billed under a family organizer. If cancellation doesn't take or charges continue, contact Apple support with screenshots and billing info. They can reverse or explain charges and complete the cancellation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.